Don't stay down forever. Don't fall forever. And don't give up on yourself. You need to rebuild yourself. You need to calm down from those places. Now you need to come up. You need to let go of everything that has been holding you back. Everything that has been distracting you. All the mistakes you've made. You need to let everything go. Because we keep making those mistakes every single time, over and over and over and over and over again. We won't get nowhere. We won't get nowhere. So we have to put it in our mind. We have to make it as a will that yes, I'm done doing these mistakes. I'm done doing these mistakes. That I want to move further and move better. For who? For myself and for people around me. And definitely we can't do it alone. Because what we're facing and what we're fighting is out of our hands. And the only one that can help us is Jesus Christ. He's the only one that can help us. We need to come out from those despondency, from that feeling of hopelessness, from that feeling of giving up. We need to come out from it and give ourselves hope. A hope for a new life, a hope for a better life, and a hope for a brighter life. You need to rebuild yourself. This is the time. There's no tomorrow. There's no, okay, calm down. Let me get this done. Let me get this done. No, this is the time. Rebuild yourself. It's not easy. The passions that we have that we want to let go is deeply rooted in us. It's deeply rooted in us. And to bring it out is very hard. Well, that's why you have to reflect back on Jesus Christ for him to help us to remove all those deadly passions out of us. We all face it. Every single one of us have all those passion of things that we want to let go. It might be lust. It might be alcohol, stealing, drinking, lying, anger, all those things. We all have our own imperfections and we need to become better. And for us to become better, we need to let it go. Definitely, when we do this, we might feel a little pleasure just for the meantime. But as time goes, you reflect back on it and see that there's nothing to gain from it, that all is vanity. And the only thing that lasts forever is the memory with you and Jesus Christ. We need to come back and build ourselves. We need to build ourselves to be better and to be okay. Definitely temptations and obstacles will come our way. We might fall, but the best advice I can give to anyone, and I can give to myself too, is to not stay down forever. We fall, we get back up. We fall, we get back up. We're not staying down forever. You rebuild yourself. You remove everything that will make you go back to your old self. Delete your old self. Don't try to go back to, there was a time I was better. No. Rebuild yourself in a new way that you haven't seen. And it can't happen in one day. It can't happen in 2 days. It's a gradual process. Building something that is going to stand strong and going to last forever doesn't happen in one day. The Burj Khalifa didn't just happen in one day. They had obstacles when they were building it. They had problems when they were building it. A lot of troubles came when they were building it, but now it's standing strong. You build yourself, you build your relationship with Christ and build your mental and build your willpower that no, I don't want to go back to this stuff that I want to become a better person. We all go through it. So don't feel left out, or don't feel a certain way that is only you that all this happens to. You keep saying, oh, why is this happening to me? Why is this happening to me? It's not happening to this person. You're not seeing their life. You're not seeing what they're going through. And they can't see yours. Even though they're seeing yours, maybe you told them or you just let them know. Everyone is going through it. Everyone is going through everything. Everyone is going through a lot of things. Both the rich, the poor, white, black, anything, everybody is going through it. So don't feel left out and don't feel abandoned. And don't feel to end things, because if you end things, who's going to take care of your loved ones? If you end things, who's going to complete your dreams for you? If you end things, who's going to move further for you? Think of every single thing you could do in this life. Think of the little things to the big things. And think of the things that are widely out of your hand. Just think of everything and see that there's still hope. Don't just end things, there's still hope. Rebuild yourself. Start little by little. Every day give yourself a goal that, okay, this is a certain goal or project I want to achieve in this period of time. You fall in love with the projects, with the things you're doing, with the goal you're setting for yourself, and don't put it in your mind that I'm going for this goal for the revenue that I'm going to get. I'm going for this goal for the esteem and the applaud I'm going to get. No, go for that goal because you're in love with it. Go for that goal because you are doing it to keep yourself busy. Go for that goal because it's helping you, and go for that goal because it's developing you in a better way. Don't go for the goal because you want high esteem and applaud or people to praise you and cheer you. No. Go for the goal because you love it. Rebuild yourself, and the most important part of it all is to put Christ first. Do your best to stay with him, to hold him. And definitely we all let go of him almost every time, but due to our weaknesses. But we still have to come back. We still have to come back. And he's always calling back on us every single time. We keep asking for forgiveness and move on and keep going. Rebuild yourself and become a better person. Don't end things. Remember, people are waiting for you and people are hoping on you. Don't end things. There are lots more to achieve. From the small to the big to the widest of your dreams. You can do it. I can do it. Just keep going and don't give up. You fall, you stand up.